Hello guys, I am back. Thank you so much for your patience over the past few weeks while I have just been basically trying to get my life together. If you watched my last video, I mentioned that I was feeling really stressed and overwhelmed and just dealing with a lot of different things. And over the past few weeks, I have started incorporating a lot of different habits, and basically just there's going to be some changes in my life and my future plans that I'm very excited to update you guys about in another video. I'm going to make a whole dedicated video to answering some frequently asked questions and basically just giving you guys the full update on my life because I feel like it deserves its own separate video. But I just wanted to pop on here and make this little quick note to tell you that over the past weeks I still have been vlogging. I didn't stop vlogging. I have a lot of really exciting content to share with you guys, starting with this video. This is my first day of term 3, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you again for your patience.
Life is fine. Just take your breath.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So I just wanted to open up the vlog kind of just with like a few words about like how I'm doing and how I'm feeling about term 3. So I'm really excited about the classes I'm taking. I'm taking Managing Entrepreneurial Growth, Make or Break Leadership, E-commerce, and Design and Marketing. These are the 4 classes I have for term 3. Today I just have Leadership and Entrepreneurship. So I'm really excited for these classes, specifically for this leadership class, because it has a lot to do with like managing stress, and all of this is super relevant because, as you guys know, I've been feeling a little bit stressed and overwhelmed lately. But in the past few weeks I feel like I've sort of had like a lot of inspiration and like transformation on how I want my life to be. So right now my goal is just to really like transform my life into what I want it to be. It sounds very simple, but what I found in one of the pre-work videos I watched for my class is that we as people can actually control a good portion of our happiness. Like I tend to blame a lot on like my circumstances and like things around me, but I actually think that we can do a lot to alter our headspace and our perspective and our mindset. I'm just realizing that there's a lot of ways that I can change my lifestyle and incorporate new habits and really just like slow down and cut out things that are just like toxic for me, and just replace that with things that are actually improving my sense of well-being and improving my sense of happiness and productivity and all of those good things. So I'm starting off term 3 feeling very rejuvenated, very inspired, and just really excited for literally my life, and that's like such a good feeling. So I am just going to get on my little sweater and get my backpack and then head to campus. Lunch is served. It may not look like the most appetizing thing in the world, but I promise you guys it's really, really good and definitely like a good filling lunch. So I recommend a little salt and pepper on the top, and then I always eat it with ketchup because it's kind of like a sausage egg scramble bowl to me. So if I had some cheese and some potatoes in there, it would be amazing. But yeah, this is super good. So we're gonna eat our lunch now. All right guys, what I'm about to show you is behind this door. So this apartment that we're in actually has a second bedroom, but we don't use it because it's pretty small and there's just like 2 beds and we basically use it as a storage room. So I'm about to show you guys all of the stuff from my old apartment that I need to figure out how to put into literally 1 suitcase and then 1 small carry-on suitcase. So I don't think it's gonna be possible. I have to donate a lot of stuff. that's all my clothes and room stuff. So literally, like, I think this whole bed, aside from maybe like a couple things, is all mine. And then here is some of Yulian's stuff on this bed. And then we have our suitcases and this closet. So my afternoon activity for the day is going to be completely getting this room back to basically how it was when we moved in, because we don't have so much time here left in Barcelona, and we actually have guests coming in a few days, and they're gonna be using this room, and this is not acceptable like for them. And I've been trying to get myself to pack up all of my stuff for a few days now, so I'm gonna tackle it all today. So let's go, guys. We're on a mission together. I am going to start with this pile of clothing because it's the easiest thing to start with. I'm gonna figure out what I actually want to take home with me, because I'm actually really trying to minimize the amount of stuff that I have and like basically Marie Kondo my entire closet. I already have significantly decreased the amount of clothing I have ever since I started just like traveling a lot. I needed to be able to fit all my belongings in like 2 suitcases. But I did accumulate some more clothes and stuff throughout this year living in Barcelona. So I'm gonna go through everything, and if it doesn't spark joy, I have a trash bag, which I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm going to donate or sell anything that I'm getting rid of, but if it doesn't spark joy, it's out. So that's what I'm doing. We did it, guys. Okay, you guys, I am officially done with this room. Let me show you the 2 beds. I wanted them to be together because I figured it's nicer, and also it just kind of like makes the room look more like a hotel room, I feel like. So there is like the little pictures on the wall, and I just think it looks really cute. Obviously, we have this little space here and the little nightstand, and there's a chair on this side when you enter the room. And then on this side, there is just the little closet area, and there's some space for clothes to be hung up there. And guys, we made so much progress on this room. I cannot believe it. In just like a few hours, it looks completely different. So I'm super happy. I feel like it's all ready for our guests, and yeah, I'm just really happy, and I feel like there's a little weight off my shoulders. All of that stuff I have now organized, so it's gonna make the whole move out process a lot easier. But yes, second bedroom is done. Hello guys, so we are here in Plaza Catalunya, and right now we are actually walking to the Paella Club, which is a place where you can take some cooking workshops. So tonight we're taking a paella workshop, and I am so excited. Julian, how do you feel?
Super excited.
It's gonna be so fun, so let's
Yes.
go.
Julian. Sí. Julian.
Guys, we just had the best time ever. Literally the best time ever. We met the most amazing people at the Paella Club. So thank you to the Paella Club because we literally just had the time of our lives. I recommend it to all of you. The link will be in the description. But now we are in the Iberostar Hotel going to the Sky Bar. So the night continues. Party time! Oh my god. Guys, what happened and how are we here? I just want to know.